guys, this is Chris again. So today I'm going to show you a video on how to survive a camping trip. Have fun. First step, pack all the stuff you need into your car, which is a really simple task when you have a car like this. But unfortunately we have that one. It's a little bit smaller and we have to bring stuff for 3 people. That's kind of like what it looks like. It's basically packed completely. Tip number 2. When you are in the car, you finally made it, then don't open the windows. Use a car where you don't have the choice to open the windows because here it's broken, which is healthy because when you sweat, then it's good for you. That's what some people say, especially when it's like 38 degrees outside. Enjoyable, so nice. So the next step is building your tent. I'm going to show you how it's done. So I made a really big mistake. I have this really big inflatable mattress here, and there's just one way to blow it up, and that is you need a socket with energy. It feels like 5 days already doing this, so blowing air into this hole. I can't do this.
Demonstrate it. Show it.
It always makes these fart noises and it's really annoying. I hate it. Tip number 5. When it's raining, bring a tent. Rain, thunderstorm. Tip number 6. If the weather is really bad and the tent is not helping anymore, bring a car. That is so useful because outside there is, like, the weather is so bad. Just when I switch off the light, I hope you can see it. Ding 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 ding. Actually, there's nothing to see. Well, but in a car you have light. And bring number 7, beer. Tip number 8. It's again when it's raining. You need waterproof shoes. Or put some bags over yours. Number 9. Enjoy every single second of the festival. Also listen to some slow musicians. It can be so nice just to chill for a bit. So do it. This is ridiculous. And you better go. Tip number 11. Sleep never again. Those were my 11 tips on how to survive a camping trip / a festival. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel. You better subscribe to my channel. And I will post more videos soon. You can also follow me on Tumblr, Twitter. Yeah, that's it. You find all the links in the comment section below or in the description box below. So, hope to see you soon. Bye!